This is the most beautiful building on earth. This is the Museum of the Future, located along Sheikh Zayed Road in Dubai. On February 22nd, 2022, this museum will open its doors to the public. Inside it, there will be exhibits and activities that will give all of us a look into what a bright and beautiful future can look like. It has two bridges, one connecting the Imarat towers and other to the metro, making it very easy to come. The leaders of the Emirates built this museum not only for all of us here today, but for the next generation of dreamers and builders. You too can also build something that your kids and grandkids could enjoy.